What I have here is the new ECOFLOW Delta 2 lithium iron phosphate portable power station. Today I want to see if this power station will be able to run the Causeway 12,000 BTU air conditioner. Earlier I actually tried it with Delta Mini, and Delta Mini was shut down once the AC kicked in. So here we go. When we turn it on, it's at the fan only. Right now, I'm going to turn the fan on to the high and see how much it's drawing. It's drawing about 85 to 90 watts at this point. We'll let it run a little bit. Now we're going to go ahead and turn on the AC function and see if the Delta 2 can handle the instant power surge. Looks like Delta 2 can handle the instant surge of almost 2,000 watts. So yes, this one can definitely run a portable air conditioner, and much better than the Delta Mini.
Okay, so kicking it up a notch. This is an 1800 watt portable house air conditioner. Runs on 110 volts AC. Now this EcoFlow Delta 2 is rated at 1800 watts continuous. So let's see what happens when we turn this bad boy on high. Cool. Alright. So it should start amping up here shortly. Takes a little time for it to fire up. There we go. Okay, okay. Oh yeah. I'll be sitting out in the cornfield. Well, the compressor ain't kicked on yet. That's 8 hours of just high-speed fan. Hold on now. Come on. I'll come back when the compressor kicks on.
Que está bien grande. Oh, sí está grande. Está bien grande. Mira cuántos tiene. ¿Estás grabando? Sí. Vamos a jugar. Okay. No puedo. ¿Qué? No puedo. Juega porque yo no tengo que. ¿Eh? Yo no tengo que. Aquí viene. ¿Qué una burbuja?
Mira, vuelta. ¿No es cierto?
All right, guys, I'm doing the review on the EcoFlow system, the Delta 2 product. I love this product. I have everything connected. The phone is being charged, the battery pack, this one to grind the coffee. I'm actually brewing coffee, the blender. All this stuff can be connected with this Delta 2 EcoFlow system. I love it. It's great. I'll go around the back to show you the outlets that I'm actually connected and how many it has. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I have 4 connected. Everything comes included to charge it and to charge it through your solar panel. I mean, you can't beat it. And anything happens, you have this system to travel with. It's super quiet. It's fast charging through the AC. When I got it, I charged it really quickly. I haven't charged it with the solar. That's next. But so far, I love this product. I mean, I'm doing all this at once. Coffee's like 1,000, 1,200 watts. The Ninja about 500-600 watts. This one 100. It's maxed out at 1,800, but I believe it's pulling a little more. So actually this product is better than what it's saying it is. I would definitely invest in this system. It's so awesome.
All right, so it's about 2 in the afternoon, and I decided to plug in my solar panels into my EcoFlow Delta 2 now, and I'm getting 352 watts. It's a very clear, sunny day. I got these things facing pretty much due south. There's a couple clouds in the sky, but as you can see, nothing obstructing the sun. It's a very nice sunny day. Hot, really hot day. So I just plugged these in like a minute before I started filming. Now I do know that once they get heat soaked, the input will be a little bit less. So it started at 350, it's already going down a little bit, but for a 400 watt panel at 2 p.m. in September, that's not bad. Now, I'm also running an extension cord to power a little fridge just to have a load out of it. So I'm not just putting solar into it. I wanted to, make sure there's something pulling. So essentially, with a little mini fridge, I can run this indefinitely. This little solar panel's not bad. If I get 350 watt average per bright sunny day per hour, I should have this thing charged up if it was depleted in like 2.5 to 3 hours. It's pretty cool.
I'm using the EcoFlow Delta 2 to power my power tools and everything, my Christmas lights and non-utilities that I use outside.
Greetings everyone, it's your friendly neighborhood Scorosaurus here, taking a look at the Delta 2 solar generator. This is an amazing battery with 1,000 watt hours. That's able to power, well, most of my toys and for a good period of time as well. I use this right now to power my, you could call it a solar shed, but it's really just a shed. So right now that is feeding all of my different rechargers here, tools, whatever. If I need to recharge some power wheels, hey, both of those I look good in and I want to keep them charged and running. And I also have that hooked up to this fan that keeps the air circulating here in the shed. I use that, A, to keep it a little bit more reasonable in here, and B, to keep a little better profile as far as heat and everything for these batteries just so that they're in good shape. We can see right now that my 500 watts of solar panels are pulling in about 231 watts. I love that instant notification of just exactly what's happening. It's telling me that if that maintains course, in about 18 minutes, it's going to be full back up to the top. Now, another thing I wanted to point out is that, hey, at 27 pounds, this is still pretty portable, and I have taken it to the house and other things like that to recharge it if for some reason it's just too dark outside to recharge it, or I've been using a lot of power or something like that. I really only ever do that if I'm expecting, you know, a calamity, and I want to make sure that this is filled absolutely to the top for, you know, a big storm coming through or something like that. Really, honestly, if you have the kind of panels that I do on it, there's no reason. A final thing I wanted to point out with this is that it does have USB-C, 2 of them actually, that are able to pull 100 watts. So I use that right now. Yeah, you're going to be able to recharge that fancy new iPhone 15, but the USB-C actually goes to my River 2 unit, which then charges my e-bike. So I actually use the Delta 2 and its 1,000 watt-hour battery to help make up the difference for this 250 watt hour